So in the bowl we put the mince. You can use either lamb or the beef. And now I'm going to put onion. So adding some sliced green chili for a kick of spiciness. Potatoes that is chopped, diced and boiled. Turmeric powder. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Chicken stock cube 1 piece. Seasoning liquid. Salt. So now mix it. Once the mixture is ready, add in the black pudding. If you don't want to put the black pudding, it's fine because it's pork. You can skip it. Slightly mix it. You don't have to break the black pudding. It's best to slightly freeze the black pudding and then chop it, then dice it. It gives a nice proper dices. So for making the sausage, we just put in a cling film and roll it tightly to a thin cylindrical shape so that I can put it in the puff pastry and roll it. So just roll it tightly, like a nice cylinder, so we can place inside the puff pastry. So you can leave in the fridge like this, so it gets set. So like nice sausage. So apply some egg wash, just beaten egg, and I put touch of turmeric, so when you bake it, it gives nice color. Open the roll what we made before, just place it beautifully. Slightly pull it from the side and roll it. So make sure it's touching on the side. Cut from here. Now lift and place on a baking tray. Using your finger, just press it. Get a fork. Press it like this. So now apply egg wash all over, so it gives nice color when it's cooked. So now with a sharp knife, just slice the egg, so the steam just escapes and it gives a nice crust also. Now I'm adding some fennel seeds, black and white sesame seeds. You can use any seeds if you want. It gives a nice look and a nice crust also. So this is ready. Now we can portion it up. Slowly take it up. Place it. Okay, let's cut here. Use a nice bread knife. So you can see inside. So now we can plate it up in a nice modern plate. Just place on the side. So now place some Tadka mayonnaise on the side. Now put some garnish. That's pickled onions, some ginger, chili,